Hi everybody, I have the benches done now. I'll show you those and show you the next project I'm going to be doing. So here's the one bench, and over here's the other bench. Now Ann wanted them gray, so I took spray paint, put gray primer on first, and then gray spray paint, because I guess she kind of wanted them to match the color of the house. So now I'll take you to the dirty kitchen and show you what the next project is going to be. So Ann bought this oven for baking pizzas because she bakes pizzas and sells them, and makes cakes and sells them and stuff like that. She bought it with her own money, but the stand or frame that it's on to me is really weak. I don't like it, so I want to build her something more sturdy, and maybe something with a shelf so she could have a place to put, if she has to pull the pan out and set it down or something like that, or needs a place to put something while she's baking, she'll have a little shelf she can use. We were talking about it yesterday, and I want to make it taller, and I want enough room for the propane tank, because the propane tanks we use here are like those under there, so I want enough room underneath for one of those to go underneath. And we were talking, and she would like a shelf down here that kind of pulls out. So I'm working in my mind a way to do that. I think I have it figured out how I'm going to do it. I have enough metal to make it, and I was going to make it out of 1x1 square tube, but I have enough 2x2 and 2x3 to make the frame actually sturdier, and then I can use the 1x1 for bracing and shelf that I'm thinking of, that I'm figuring out. So I'll show you the metal that I have to do that with. So I have a couple of pieces of 2x2 there left. I can use that for the legs. I have some 2x3 I can use for the platform on the top for it to sit on. It doesn't have to be solid because the way it's going to be made. And the 1x1 I'll use for making the shelf and some support for it, make it stronger so it doesn't wobble or anything. So I got it made up in my head how I'm going to do it. I wrote a little bit on paper and took some measurements so I know what size I got to do it, and I'm just going to kind of play it by ear, building it, and how I'm going to make the little slide out shelf that she wants. So hopefully next video I'll have some progress on that. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Bye y'all.